Welcome to your News at 90. I'm Gunnar Melslagel.
And I'm Maria Gramudis. In energy news, congratulations to EAIS member Sidney and Clinton Community School Districts on their passage of bond issues for energy-efficient building remodels and new construction. As each school district works with their architects, engineers, and construction managers, EAIS is a neutral third party on the construction team. We are here to ask key questions and make connections between schools, utility, commercial, new construction programs, and rebates. Be sure to let us know if your district has a project in the works so we can help.
In Radon news, EAIS has received a mini grant from the Conference of Radiation Control Program Directors for the Share in Shirts for Radon Awareness project. Beginning in December and running through January, EAIS will challenge radon professionals and advocates to purchase radon awareness shirts, and then share action photos wearing the shirt on social media. It's for a great cause. 100% of the sales profits will be donated to fund low-income radon mitigation in Iowa through the Orchid Radon Reduction Foundation Fund.
In member news, EAIS is having a virtual open house on November 13th from 9 to 10 a.m. Kind of like a school open house, this is your informal chance to meet our staff, be shown around your EAIS membership, and have questions answered about how we can help you. The open house will be focused on superintendents, facility managers, and business managers who are new to EAIS member schools. However, all are welcome to join the conversation.
That's your News at 90 from CCHS and Energy Association of Iowa Schools. Have a great day, everyone.